How to accept tag requests on Facebook. So, the first step is by opening your Facebook app and then simply go to your notifications found on the lower right of the screen. Once you're right here, you may see the name of that person that tagged you, and it will say mentioned you in a post, review now. In order for you to review it, simply click on it and wait for it to load. And right here, you may see the tag post, and you may either choose hide or add to profile right here. If you want to add it to your profile, simply click on add to profile. And if you want to hide it from your profile so that others won't be able to see that post, simply click on hide. So if I just want to click on add to profile, wait for it to load, and then there you go. That's how you can accept tag requests on Facebook.
So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.